How to track your Walmart grocery order. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to track your order or grocery order on Walmart, here's what you need to do. So first thing first, just open up any of your favorite browser and simply search in for walmart.com and just enter this option that is slash orders. So once you head over to this site, you should land on this page where you simply have to provide your email address and order number. Even if you don't have an account yet, you can still track your order status. So make sure you have signed into your account, and if you haven't signed into your account, even so, you can still track your order by simply providing your email address as well as your order number of that particular order, and just click on view order status to track your product status. You can also tap on this track your order option to get to this screen. You should be successfully able to track your progress of your particular order on Walmart. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.